Today I will be changing my black hair to blonde hair. Welcome back to my channel. And I was so excited to change my hair back blonde because my hair had been black for so long. And I'm not knocking black hair, but I love me some blonde hair on me. So I started by parting my hair into 4 sections. To dye my hair, I use Dark and Lovely Luminous Blonde. Make sure when you're putting the powder inside the bottle, it doesn't get on you because it was very strong. Also, I like this box better than Shea Moisture box because this box took better on my hair than Shea Moisture box because my hair is naturally very dark. And before you open the bottle, make sure you are covering it because it spilled out when I undid the top. Also, I want to note that I had already detangled my hair prior to this video. So when I start applying the dye, I started with my tips because I know usually that people say to start with your roots, but I wanted to be able to rub through my hair when I started to dye the middle of my hair. So I did not dye my roots because I don't like the look on me. So I didn't need that much as you would if you want to dye your roots. I would suggest another box just in case. Okay, now for the part I don't like at all. Sitting on the dryer. So if you're going to sit under the dryer for the dye, make sure you sit under the dryer for a deep condition. You don't have to sit on the dryer, but I don't want to sit on the dryer. I used the Kroger bag because it didn't come with a cap, and I also used the bonnet dryer. Even with the bonnet dryer, it burns my ears. Okay, so I washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner. The instructions just say the conditioner they gave you, which is really kind of thin a little bit. But I use shampoo and conditioner. And again, if you're going to use shampoo, make sure you condition your hair very good because I do not like damaging natural hair. So, but I had to get the bleach out. I had to get the stuff out of my hair to make sure. So I use the shampoo. I put the shampoo in the right hand corner. But the one on the left is the hair mayonnaise that I use, and the one on the right is the conditioner they gave me, which smelled good, but my hair was like, no man, this is not it for me. So when my hair finally does right, I'm putting my hair in chunky flat twists with Camille Rose Curlade. If you're watching this and you want Camille Rose, get Camille Rose Almond J Twisting Butter, not this. This was cool, but the other one is better. And this is my final result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tune in for my next video where I trim my ends with the twist method. Bye.